It's a big day for Terra Luna Classic. If you've been watching this channel, you know exactly what we are talking about. But upgrade 2.1.0 is live for voting. We're going to deep dive into exactly what this means for Terra Luna Classic and equally take a quick look at the Cosmos internet of blockchains. Why is that important? And what is parity truly going to bring to Terra Luna Classic? If you are still bullish and you want to know all about what I've just talked about, be sure to subscribe to this channel. We're here every single day, bringing you the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency. And also smash a like if you are in the Terra Luna Classic army. Let's see 400 likes on this video. Let's truly send this one. But get into the market. Here we go. Look, proposal details, upgrade to version 2.1. We talked about this in the last couple of videos, and we have it now officially here on Terra Station for people to go and vote. You can see already a significant amount of people are voting on this. 99.93% have voted yes so far, and I do truly think this will pass, and it will pass very, very quickly. All of our validators will definitely want this upgrade. It says the proposal seeks community and validate agreement for the version 2.1.0 software upgrade, which was previously prepared by the L1 task force team and the Classic Terra repo. Upon passing of this proposal, the proposed binary and deployed by means of chain halt software upgrade. This means that the chain will be halted at block height 13.215.800, and the protocol will require validators to replace the old binary by the proposed new one. The chain halt block height is going to be processed at approximately the 14th of June at 1 o'clock UTT. So we are about 24 hours behind when we thought. You can find details about the proposal changes and ongoing discussion in the corresponding Commonwealth entry for the proposal. Vote yes if you agree, vote no if you don't. So this is a huge moment for Terra Luna Classic. Now, I've been talking about this on the channel as a massive thing. This is as big as when staking was reignited on this blockchain, because it unlocks so many different avenues and it gives us access to so many different things that ultimately can support the Terra Luna Classic ecosystem. Now, we do know the chart saw a massive rally almost out of nowhere when we started talking about parity and the version 2 upgrade. A huge rally, rallied all the way up to the 11.2s. We saw that massive pullback on the whole Binance news. We've even seen further Binance news today where actually Binance US is being sued and assets are supposedly being frozen. What we do know though is we came all the way back up to this kind of 10.05 range. We have come back down now to test both the 7-day EMA and equally this 9631 support level. So we want to kind of hold this, which will be a good move for Terra Luna Classic. You can see we bounced off this kind of 8.4 range very, very successfully. We want to see as we hold on here. Now, the interesting one, 200-day EMA is starting to push up a little bit. We want to see this start to move up. But a key point in terms of Terra Luna Classic's price, 5.38% today, outperforming Bitcoin, even with everything going on with Binance. But that is not all. Why is it so important that we have parity? Why is it so important? Everyone's talking about June 14th being a huge day for Terra Luna Classic. Well, ultimately the Cosmos ecosystem is massive. Cosmos SDK gives us access to just a ton of things, a ton of users, a ton of holders, and a ton of new assets that could well be used on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. So if we take a look at the ecosystem, 277 apps and services from a wide range of blockchains, apps, wallets, as much all built on the SDK ecosystem. And as we come down, you can just see a ton of different apps, and again, a ton of different blockchains, all of which we will gain access to as a Terra Classic community. Now, this will take a bit of time to work its way through, but what it does mean is you can transact between the two different blockchains using that parity joinery. And I think it's going to be incredibly exciting as to how this does. We also therefore see potential building up on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, given the fact we then have access to many, many more chains, apps, blockchains. I think it's a huge one. We do already have some of them. You can see there, Crescent Network, Osmosis. We do have access already when you take a look in Station as to exactly what's going on. You see here, Axel, Crescent and Juno, we already have those bridges open to them, but this is a monumental moment, I think, for Terra Luna Classic, and certainly a big moment. And we can see on here our burns continue to move up. We did obviously get that billion token Binance burn. We take a look at the stats though. What do we get? Well, we see even more Luna Classic staked. People are truly starting to get bullish once again on Luna Classic, which is a fantastic thing. 771 million coins restaked. We are 10 billion away from a trillion Luna Classic staked, which is absolutely insane. 14.46%. And I talked about this months ago where 20, 25, 30% would be a huge thing for Terra Luna Classic. And I think if we continue the burns, we equally therefore see price movement, all could start to become very, very interesting for Terra Luna Classic. But like I said, June 14th, set your alarm clocks. It's a huge day for both parity and equally unlocking a number of different assets that Terra Luna Classic will have access to. We'll keep you up to date with everything that is going on. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn that notification bell on. Come and join us on our live streams, 4 p.m. Eastern, every single day, where we talk about cryptocurrency, the market prices, you name it, it's on that channel. But Lunar Classic looking pretty good, and it does mean we've got some stuff coming down the pipeline. So if you're bullish on Terra Lunar Classic, smash the like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.